How you doing, Samuel? This is Eric here with Tameron Honda in Hoover. I wanted to thank you so much for your interest in this 2015 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This vehicle is in great shape. As you can see, it's here on our showroom floor. Just wanted to shoot you a quick video to introduce myself as well as a few features here. This is that supercharged engine. You're going to get all 707 horsepower out of this thing with that nice red key. Very, very well constructed. If you actually take a look here, you're going to get your nice halogen headlights. You get amazing alloy rims on this vehicle. The nice Hellcat badging right here. Keyless entry. If you take a look here on the inside, you're going to get these nice sporty fitted seats here. Leather with cloth inserts. It's going to have this nice size screen there that's going to show you all of your media options, your Bluetooth, your backup camera, your navigation, everything else. Also your climate control, and you also have hands-free controls on the steering wheel. Don't want you trying to make a call while you're switching gears or anything like that. Give me a call, 205-756-1005, or you can reach me by email if it's more efficient. At ejohnson@tameron.com. And here at Tameron, Samuel, we do business one way. That's the right way. You're going to love the way you're treated.